Thief! I'll have your hands for a trophy, street rat!
All this for a loaf of bread? Whoa!
There he is!
You won't get away so easy!
You think that was easy?
You two, over that way! And you follow me! We'll find him!
Morning, ladies.
Getting into trouble a little early today, aren't we, Aladdin?
Trouble? No way. You're only in trouble if you get caught.
Gotcha!
I'm in trouble.
And this time...
Perfect timing, Abu, as usual. Come on, let's get out of here.
Gotta keep one jump ahead of the breadline, one swing ahead of the sword. I steal only what I can afford. That's everything. One jump ahead of the lawman. That's all, and that's no joke. These guys don't appreciate I'm broke.
Riff-raff! Street rat! Scoundrel! Take that!
Just a little snack, guys. I can take a hint, gotta face the facts. You're my only friend, Abu.
Oh, it's that Aladdin's hit the bottom. He's become a one-man rising crime.
I blame parents, except he hasn't got 'em.
Gotta eat to live, gotta still to eat. Tell you all about it when I got the time. One jump ahead of the slow pokes. One skip ahead of my doom. Next time, gonna use a nom de plume.
There he is!
One jump ahead of the hitman. One hit ahead of the flock. I think I'll take a stroll around the block.
Stop, thief! Vandal!
Abu!
Let's not be too hasty.
Still, I think he's rather tasty.
Gotta eat to live, gotta still to eat. Otherwise, we'd get along.
Get him! He's got a sword! Hey! You idiots! We've all got swords!
One jump ahead of the hoof beats. One hop ahead of the hump. One trick ahead of disaster. They're quick, but I'm much faster. Here goes. Better throw my hand in. Wish me happy landing. All I gotta do is jump!
And now, esteemed Effendi, we feast, all right. Here. Go on, take it.
On his way to the palace, I suppose. Another suitor for the princess.
Out of my way, you filthy brats!
If I were as rich as you, I could afford some manners.
Oh, I'll teach you some manners!
Look at that, Abu. It's not every day you see a horse with two rear ends.
You are a worthless street rat. You were born a street rat. You'll die a street rat. And only your fleas will mourn you.
I'm not worthless, and I don't have fleas. Come on, Abu. Let's go home.
Riff-raff, street rat. I don't buy that. If If only they'd look closer, would they see a poor boy? No, siree. They'd find out there's so much more to me.
Someday, Abu, things are gonna change. We'll be rich, live in a palace, and never have any problems at all.